Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks rib feature lesson. Continuing with the hair dryer mold, move the rollback bar before the scale command. Add a sketch in the face indicated. Draw and dimension 3 lines as shown. From the Features tab, select the rib command. Set the thickness, direction, draft angle, and click OK to finish. Add a reference plane parallel to the right plane as shown. Add a new sketch. Draw and dimension the profile indicated. Click on the rib command, set the direction, options, draft angle, and click OK. Add a linear pattern using the rib. Select the direction, spacing, and number of copies. Expand the instances to a skip section. Click to remove the third copy and finish. Add a fillet to all the ribs as shown. Set the radius and click OK. Move the rollback bar to the bottom of the Feature Manager to rebuild the model. Open the core side of the mold to review the changes. Save and close the file.